Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. Spooky season is upon us, and you know what that means.
Halloween is coming.
And I know this year is going to be a tad bit different with everything just going on. But yeah, I definitely plan on celebrating all the upcoming holidays as usual, even Halloween. So I plan on, donning full body costume and just, celebrating it as usual. So in this video today, I am going to be transforming from this to this. Then stay tuned and watch the tutorial. And if you guys don't know who I am, let me give you a couple of hints. Let me get ready in character mode. Hi guys! I like fashion, I like the color pink, I like makeup and parties, and I am looking for my Ken. Okay, wait, hold on. Why does my voice actually sound like Barbie's voice? Either I'm a really good actress or I already sound like her. Probably the latter. And why did this all of a sudden turn into a Tinder advertisement? I don't know. Okay, so you want to start off with prepping and priming the face, which I have already done so. Again, I usually link all the products in the description below, and if you want to know about the process, you can always check out previous video. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids, which I think is super important for this look because you're going to be doing a really heavy, smoky eye. So you definitely want to make sure this makeup stays intact. So then, for the eyeshadow, I am actually going to be using my Chocolate Bonbon palette. I think this palette is so cute. Just like, look at it. It has a lot of pink and purple shades and like the heart shapes. I think it's just pretty much built for Barbie, to be honest. I'm going to first start out by applying foundational base color, Cotton Candy. Okay, so after that, I'm going to start going in with Totally Fetch. And I'm just going to start drawing it out into this extended V shape. I think it's okay if you kind of extend it very far because I think with a lot of Halloween looks, you want to make something that's really dramatic because it's a clear departure from your everyday makeup look. And I'm going to bring some of the color to the lower lash line because I want the color scheme for this look to be heavily hot pink. Okay, and after that, I'm going to take my angled brush and just start going in with this dark chocolate shade and just kind of start drawing into this extended cat wing look. Don't be afraid about drawing it or making the extended wing very dramatic. That's kind of the point for Halloween looks. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. And then now I'm going to go in with that black shade. It's called Decadent with the chocolate gold palette and just trace over that. And then I am going to highlight the inner corners. I'm going to be using Dripping Diamonds and just highlight the inner corners. I am actually going to first go ahead and apply my eyeliner. So I'm going to be using Clinique. So actually I ran low on the Lorac Pro liner, so I'm going to be using Clinique. And then I'm not going to draw it or trace it to the extent of this extended cat eye I drew. I just wanted to draw the usual length. Okay, now that I have finished applying the eyeliner, I am actually going to first pop on some false lashes and then decide whether or not I want to do just a halo effect or a fake cut crease. So I'm feeling a little bit falsely confident, but that's because in my last video, I was able to pop on the falsies in one try. So I'm feeling a bit super confident, but I don't even know if I can rightly feel this way, but let's see. So today I'm actually, let me back up. I'm actually using another falsie. I'm using the Idole Natural Starter Kit. I think these are really popular, or I hear a lot of buzz about Idole. So I'm going to be using these. And the reason why I'm using these is because I feel like compared to the Revlon ones, these are a little bit more dramatic, so I think they're perfect for Halloween. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara to the bottom lashes with my Monsieur Big Lancome. I'm going to take this Dripping Diamonds color and just apply it to the center of my lids. And then after that, I'm going to shade around it to create a fake cut crease. And I think I'm also going to be using my Stila Oh My Stars glitter and going over it to add some glitter to the look and create some more additional drama. So let's get started. So I'm going to go in with Dripping Diamonds and just shade it to the center. I'll go over that with my Stila Shimmer and Glow and Kitten. Okay, then I'm going to go back in with my Stila Oh My Stars glitter. I'm going with this silvery shade. And I'm going to apply some glitter to the bottom as well. Then I'm going to take my angled brush, kind of feel where my eye socket is, and just start going in with this hot pink shade and some purple as well. So the purple is called Black Currant. Okay, so now that I have carved out this fake cut crease kind of look going on, I'm just going to shade around it in hot pink and just add some more hot pink to the bottom because that's kind of like the overwhelming color scheme that I want for this look. And now I'm going to move on to the next step, which is applying the blush. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Perfect Blush blush. And I think it's okay to go ham with this because we want this look to have a lot of pink going on. Okay, so I think I applied an ample amount. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some highlighter. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Diamond Light. And I did this in my last video, but I want this look to have some extra sparkle for the highlight. So I'm going to go in and with the dripping diamonds over this highlight. So I have this shade in Mean Girls from Too Faced, and just look how perfectly suited it is for this makeup look. It's just like this hot pink shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And there you have it. This is a finished look, and this look wouldn't be complete unless I did the outfit change as well. So let's get to it. Transformation's complete, guys. Blonde wig and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, stay creative during Halloween. I'd love to see everyone's looks. Have a great Halloween, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.